How to change lock screen clock on your Google Pixel 9a. Recently, Google launched the new Pixel 9a device. By default, set the lock screen clock on your Pixel 9a or any other older Pixel device. So if you want to change the lock screen clock on your Pixel, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style on your device. Here you can see the lock screen option at the top left side. Tap on it. Now here you can see lock screen clock style. Swipe like this to see the lock screen clock style available for your Pixel 9a device. Here you can see the different lock screen clock style on your Pixel 9a or any other older Pixel device. So select the clock style you want to set. So here we select this clock style. You can also change the clock color and size. So tap on a clock color and size. Now here you can select the clock color you want to set on your Pixel 9a lock screen. So select the clock color, also select the default color you want, also increase the decrease the brightness of a clock on a device. So here we select this clock color, also change size. You can set dynamic clock size change according to lock screen content or select the small and you can see this type of small clock on the corner of your screen. So select dynamic or lock screen in a device and set the lock screen clock on your Pixel 9a. Just lock your phone and you can see the lock screen clock style on your Pixel 9a. So it's quite easy to change the lock screen clock style on your Pixel 9a than any other older Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.